Yeah, God is a blessing, my nigga. God is a blessing, my nigga. One up production, nigga. Always keep that motherfucker, man. No face affiliation. See, now if you niggas knew me, man, niggas knew it. You niggas love me, nigga. Gotta be getting us do that. I know what the fuck it is, nigga. Always that right. Life bugs glossy. One glance could be costly. Producer's tongue, you the storm. My believe you frosty. Cold inside. So you can feel the pain coming from windows left open. Releasing the same, my streets are drained. Only teddy bears remain. Cemeteries packed just like that prison cage. I've been through mazes. Shootouts amazing. Ambush, literally from the bushes they spray from. Get back in case something. Damn, they ain't budge. Caught, I'm on my right side. I had to wake something. See too much, way too much. I sucked it up like sponge. Never knew that prison must be good. I had my fucking former bars of my phone. And truth to be told, pupils been over college growth that you know. So how the fuck would you know what my life is? I'm going out like Cujo. The story behind my eyelids. You see me inside my What up, people? It's your boy Tommy G making another appearance. Welcome to the episode of Coffee and Cannabis. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Anyway, everything gotta be perfect. Bro, I stumbled across something that just like simply kind of blew my mind. I don't know, we can all say we felt something. We just never know what that feeling is. I know since September 11th of this year, things have been kind of funny. You know, I mean, we all seen it. There's been lights in the sky. The clouds are strange, just like B.O.B. said in his album Elements, Strange Clouds. There you go. We seeing them every day now. The sun seems closer because it is closer. Like, that's just what it is. And I know y'all may have read the title like, what does Larry Hoover got to do with any of this? Bro, it is so deep. And I'm going to like take y'all to why my title is the way it is. You don't think I'm crazy? You can't, after seeing this, you're going to be like, this, what? This is on Google. This information, it can be Googled. What I'm about to present to y'all. But let me say good morning and God bless. And may everyone that listen to this and so on and so forth have a grand rising and a great day. And I think I'm doing my part by bringing enlightenment, even if it's just a small part. You know, a ripple can cause a typhoon. Well, I'm finna bring my little ripple. This just messed my head up. Now, I'm finna bring my camera a little closer to y'all, man. Let y'all see this right quick. Let y'all hear this. Like I said, I've been feeling something. We all been feeling something since September. But let me blow your mind right quick.
never forget this transmission received on the 11th of September 2021. Nothing has been the same since.
Now I'm finna read to you what that says. Larry Hoover to the left and King David to the right. My people from the original American Indian nations. It is a must that you understand the true hidden history of whom you are. They gave us a narrative that was not true. Larry Hoover is the direct bloodline descendant of King David, and not the David Barksdale that started the Black Disciple Devil Disciple Nation. But the King David, he is the rightful heir and king to these lands. Bro, it's saying that Larry Hoover is the rightful heir and king to these lands, and Donald Trump was supposed to have pardoned him and did not. I can't make this up. Kanye West pleaded because he knows what time it is. Today is the deadline for them to release Larry Hoover, September 11, 2022. Remember, it was supposed to happen, bro. A couple of years ago, people were saying this. They were saying he must get let out. Even a few white people, bro, they was kind of shaking, saying they should let this guy out. Let me keep reading. Okay. They said today is the deadline for them to release Larry Hoover, September 11, 2022. If they do not do so, prepare to hunker down. We got about 3 weeks from this date, September 11, 2022, before that mothership gets to using the technology to destroy monuments and instruments in other areas of the U.S. The mothership has taken control of all technology to control the weather, and they will begin to use it against those that have stood in the way of our destiny. Your marker points are the lights flashing over your city. Anywhere where you see this, those are the areas that will get hit. The U.S. military, in their own arrogance, thinks they have the technology to stop them. They will perish. That's what it says. They will perish. Bro, I've been seeing the lights. They right outside my house. I'm in, you know what I'm saying? Or my brother's house. I seen them in Chicago. Seen them in Milwaukee. I'm in Sheboygan, Wisconsin right now. Everybody been saying that too. We just didn't take notice. All these lights. It's not lightning. Lightning makes sound. Thunder makes sound. I don't know what to say about it, bro. These are not my words, bro. I can show it to you. I'm gonna have to Google this too, bro. They said this is insane. Larry Hoover is a direct descendant of King David, the king of Judah, Israel, the king of the Bible. Because GD means God's disciple. That's how I represent it. Growth and development, God's disciple. BPS, Black Paradise Soldier. Wow. VL, victorious leader. Hmm. 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 Wow. Bro, this just messed me up. Because I knew it was, but the Midwest wasn't allowed to say the word gang. You know? It was always nation. And to be honest, I believe the disciples were the first ones to use the word nation. I mean, it's just, I'm not, don't get me. I'm just saying, I'm thinking on it. Bro. And there's a witness to this too, bro. That I came across also. So Larry Hoover is the direct descendant of King David. I mean, really? Wow. And this is baffling to me, bro, because of the things that he's gone through. He was first and foremost set up, I believe. He was never given a chance like other individuals who know of his status. And here it is, bro. I'm just baffled. Just baffled. Do y'all get where I'm coming from? Like, dog, this I've been following this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Looking into, the street life of Chicago and the origins of things. Trying to figure out why these children, Larry Hoover and David Barstow, Jeff Ford and Willie Lloyd, why these children had to step up. What was the daddies at? What was the uncles? Why these children had to be the ones that put their entire freedoms and lives on the line. And the purpose was for, the movement, for upliftment. They said the government knows this. It's kind of funny to me, bro, how during the 92 indictments, during the 92 indictments, bro, my bad. The situation happened with a slow, high-speed chase that started in Chicago with a certain football star. And somehow that case overshadowed Larry Hoover's case. And it didn't get really the national coverage it was supposed to get. You are indicting. That's crazy. You are indicting possibly what y'all consider the most dangerous gang leader ever. Because he should go on a Guinness Book of World Records for having the most members in what y'all consider a gang, a street organization. He should go on Guinness Book of World Records for that. But if you want to consider him a gangster gang member, most of us don't. We consider him a leader. Now with this, even more. Like, he wasn't no stone cold murderer. He was a child and just felt he was a leader or something. And his environment just pushed him to where
Y'all made him look like a monster. The whole time he's a complete bloodline of a holy man. He going to heaven, bro. His bloodline's already destined. Larry Hoover we're gonna see him in eternal life, bro. Like I said, it was always something deeper with stuff. He let go of the gang life. He didn't let go of his bloodline, his leadership. He let go he let go of the gang leadership, but he embraced growth and development. He never said he was a gangster disciple, bro. He never said that. He always said I'm the head of the growth and development movement. And all are welcome, whether the view was under the 5 or 6. It's about being a brother in this struggle. Wow. Stumble across something else. Somebody else mentioned this concerning Larry. Let me introduce you.
I told y'all they supposed to free Larry Hoover. I told y'all that. Isis Wisdom told y'all that. A few other people told y'all that. Listen, Larry Bernard Hoover has ancient bloodline that go way back to the Three Kings, okay? They did not let him go. They had everybody thinking since 1960 that Larry Hoover was a fucking gang member. He's never been that. Literally, the man was framed. Hear me out. Larry Bernard Hoover was framed with multiple murders and multiple indictments and shit he didn't do to make him appear to be a gang member. Right. He's a fucking chief in his astral realms, y'all. Very intelligent soul. Larry Hoover, yes. Larry Hoover. Alright? Notice, there's a lot of people that's locked up that was in the streets. Ain't nobody saying free them.
Facts.
Alright? Other than me, I'd be like, free Chief Malik, free Jeff Fort. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
But Jeff Fort, one of the guys too. But Larry Hoover, he got a different bloodline to him, y'all. See, the government locked God up in the 60s, man, because they knew.
See that shit? Now what are we to think? Other than free Larry Hoover. If not for your safety, the government, bro, if you go look, like I said before, if you go look at the paperwork, look at his case, you will see the evidence they got is like, bro, it's like vapor. Like, is y'all serious? This is the reason y'all got this man locked up for 6 life sentences? Underground? True. Man, let that man go. No, I can't believe this. For real. Because, bro, we got motherships and targets being put on cities. And don't nobody want to really, ain't nobody want to believe this, that it goes that deep. I don't want to believe, but I'm not going to just ignore it. Hey, Google it. His bloodline goes to, his bloodline go to King David. His bloodline went to King David, so that means he was meant to be there. It was meant. Like if it flowed, boop, straight there. I'm gonna let y'all go on that note. Y'all know my motto though, love first, peace later. we gotta get our research together. And they need to fix this. Because as my boy, you know what I'm saying, one of our boys on TikTok say, when he feel it's going down, he see something finna happen, I see something finna happen. It's going down. Some people about to croak. Anyway, God bless. See you on the next episode of Coffee and Cannabis. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And, help keep me informed also, bro. Leave comments. Give me some information to follow and look up and research and re-deliver it back to those who may not be enlightened on these things I speak on. This is insane. Wow. Once again, love first. Peace later. Tommy G, Coffee and Cannabis. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get up out of here. All this. Get up out of here. Jim and I help on here. What? Come on, let's ride. Here we come in the South. Ship was stomping the landmines. Hella we function straight up dumping we mankind. When busterism and chronic hating, we transpire because we calico, Desert Eagle 44 and 9. Crown leaning to the right of my skull as I stroll. We cross ways and decide the pistol play. It'll be known. This thing that they call it a game is mostly pain. It's conducive, man. You know that there's no points to be made. Just concussions, instant deadly concussions. When you a grow, best keep low, watch your back, and you best to keep busting. Cause the opposing team they come to hey, check it out. Today my nephew's birthday. Happy birthday, listenership. From your uncle, TJ. I got an issue with y'all young niggas, bro. I really do. Why? Goddamn it, every time y'all take a picture, y'all gotta be looking down, nigga. My motherfucker gotta be like, then grabbing their belt like, nigga, checking to see if a motherfucker looking at you or you looking at yourself, nigga. What's up with the look? What's up with the look down pose, nigga? I don't get it. These youngsters tripping me out with some of their moments, you know what I'm saying? But I just find it a little funny. But at the same time, love you, nephew. Happy birthday. And I must say, rest in peace, rest in heaven to my cousin, Wesley. It's fucked up what happened. And happy birthday and rest in heaven to my brother, Kenny. We're doing our best out here, bro. For real, for real. We're doing our best out here. Like and subscribe to the channel. Much love always.